first thing I like to install are the front wheel carriers, and they're directional. You see it rides a little higher toward the back. And these are the bolts that secure it. You'll need a 10mm wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver to install. Or 10mm socket. To use the box to help with this portion. For this, you're going to need a 5mm Allen wrench. Disassemble these first. The one with the threads goes on the bottom. And just get them all started. We need to get it 24 inches from this edge to that plate. 24. And then make it flush with the end. The one with the threads will go on the bottom. Get them all started so it'll hold. 4 inches. Pretty good. 24. And then when you're setting the 2 of these up, you just want enough space where these will clear each other. Usually ends up with about that space there. It's a little hard for people to measure, but it's about 3/4 of an inch. And for your rear wheel carrier, put the buckle to the outside. Slips over the end, and then there's a safety bolts, a stop, and it's also 5mm. Keeps this from being able to fall off. Same with this. Put your strap facing outward. This also retaining key comes in over here. Install it on your car. You have a lock washer and a flat washer, and it's threaded. And a lock. So your instructions for your HEB RoadRunner bike hauler. You can see there's a few changes that we've made. In the instructions, it shows the 2 main supports being on the inside and the front wheel arms on the outside. As you can see, we modified that to put these arms to the inside. They're more protected and it gives more room for each bike. So the only change that we've made is just the orientation of the bike bars.